Well, as you can see, it is very quiet out here at Universal City Walk, or the entrance to Universal City Walk. Not a lot of people, obviously because of the corona situation that's going on right now. So today we are going to be taking a look at the back lot and the lower lot here at Universal Studios Hollywood. And as we can see here, we have Jurassic World to our right, and we have the Universal Campus to our left, which I just showed you. So as you can see, we can even see Transformers over there, and we get a good view of Super Nintendo World. Now, some of the paneling is still open. We don't know if that's going to be covered up or not. That is still up in the air. We don't know if it will be a test track-like situation, where the track actually goes outside of the building for the fast part of the attraction. Now, for Jurassic World, it was confirmed by a Universal spokesperson that there will be new dinosaurs added to the attraction. So that's definitely promising for the future of that attraction. Now, there was also a gyrosphere spotted on site, and there is even something right next to the gyrosphere. We don't know what that is yet, but we will just have to see right when the attraction actually opens to the public. In regards to Halloween Horror Nights here at Universal Studios Hollywood, we saw one maze starting to go up at the Waterworld queue. There is no word on whether they will begin constructing the maze behind Revenge of the Mummy show building anytime soon, but we will definitely have to see in the near future. The reason this may be happening is because the tent company that gives Universal their tents to use for Halloween Horror Nights might be closed as of right now due to COVID-19. Continuing on here, I wanted to mention that Universal Studios Florida will be opening on June 5th with social distancing rules in place and required temperature checks and mask requirements. Keep in mind, this does not affect the California parks, especially major California theme parks such as Disneyland and Universal Studios Hollywood. As some of you may know, Governor Newsom here in California hinted that theme parks may not even reopen until the next year. Now, I want to know what you guys think about our current situation. Will the pandemic continue and cause Disneyland and Universal Studios Hollywood to put temperature checks and face mask requirements in place early next year if they reopen during that time? Tell me in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below as usual, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. I'll see you all on the flip side.